If you're out there and you do intend on promoting your affiliate marketing product and you're finding it difficult, I would like you to watch this video, because this video right here is going to show you how you can easily promote your ClickBank product right here or your affiliate marketing product just by leveraging the capabilities of a platform called Instagram.com. So guys, I would like you to watch the video to the end so you don't miss out on any strategy or trick which I'm going to show you right here. And also guys, don't forget to smash the like button to this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and your post notification bell is always turned on all. And without further ado guys, let's jump right into today's video. So first of all guys, you just want to head on to an affiliate marketing platform. You may use the ClickBank right here, the Digistore24 also, or maybe the Warrior Plus or other affiliate marketing platforms which you could grab hold of. But for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to be sticking right here with the ClickBank right here. So if you do head on to ClickBank, you just want to make sure you sign up for an account if you don't have one by clicking on start here. Follow the necessary procedures to get your account created, and you could then log into your account. Right now I'm logged into my account. Just simply go on to clicking on affiliate marketplace. Once you click on affiliate marketplace, you can be brought to a particular page where you just simply have to go on to searching for products. So guys, once you are brought to a page such as this, you can actually get products, maybe new product or products in any of these niches here, maybe the health and fitness niche, the e-business and e-marketing niche, the spiritual niche, age niche, and a lot more right here. But if you do want to search for a keyword related to products, I'm just going to put in something like weight loss right here. And once I do click on search, it's going to show me a lot of products related to weight loss right here, where I could just simply go on to selecting one of those products. And right now guys, these are a lot of products which I could go on to selecting from. And maybe for instance, I want to select this product right here on a weight loss mastery superclass. I'm just going to come right here, click on promote, where I do have to go in on to fill in my nickname right here, and I could just simply create a hop link, which is a unique affiliate link to which I could use to promote this product right here. You can see the respective amount I'm going to earn once I actually do get a successful conversion to this product. And you just want to just simply start promoting this right now. And how do you promote it? I'm going to show you how you could promote it with Instagram right here, with your Instagram team page. So first of all guys, you just want to head on to a platform such as Linktree. Once you do head on to Linktree, you just want to go on to creating a Linktree by putting in the username which you intend on using and click on claim your Linktree. You could claim your Linktree for absolutely free. And if you don't know about Linktree, Linktree is a particular website which you could use to house multiple websites. So multiple links right here can be used to represent, or a single link can be used to represent multiple links. So you could use Linktree for that. Once you do sign up for Linktree successfully and you do fill out all the details, you'll be brought to a page such as this, where you can actually do go on to inputting your Linktree link. So right here guys, you just want to simply click on add link, and in this link right here, you could put that particular product URL. And for instance, if I do paste the URL, let me say this is the URL for that product, I click on add right here, that link will actually be added. So I could go on further to changing the name right here, which should be something related to the weight loss masterclass. And you can actually see how it looks right here in this section. This is the preview section. You could then be done with this. You may just simply go on to your ClickBank again and go on to selecting another product related to weight loss. You could just simply select another product, which is this weight loss new offer, or any other product right here, which is the 1 minute weight loss. Maybe if I do want to promote this offer, and let me say for instance, this is the link right here to promote this offer. I'm just going to go on to clicking on promote, get my link, head back to Linktree right here and create another link right here. So right here in the URL section, I'm going to paste in the new link, click on add, and you want to just simply go on to renaming it right here. So I'm just going to rename it right here. So you just want to go on to keep renaming those stuff right here. You could get as many offers as you can from your ClickBank right here and just simply add them to this particular section, so that once you do promote this particular stuff right here, or your Linktree, they will be able to see all these links right here, and once they do click on one of them, it's going to take them to that particular product to which they can actually do purchase, and you're going to get a cool commission from doing so. So right now guys, once you're done, just simply click on share and you could see your Linktree right here. Copy the Linktree, then you just want to head on to promoting that particular Linktree. By going on to Instagram right here, you want to create an Instagram account that is tailored to the particular niche which you intend on focusing on. If you intend on focusing on the fitness niche or the weight loss niche, create an account that is related to that. Make sure that it has a cool name related to that particular niche, and you also want to make sure you do have a cool banner or profile photo, and go on to setting your bio well. And once you do set out your bio well, you just want to put in the Linktree link at the bio of your account right here. So you could see this is what this person is actually doing right here. This person is using exactly the same strategy to do this. So if you do something similar to this right here, you want to just simply get as many posts as you can and post on your profile page. So you just want to be posting as much as you can on your profile page. You doesn't necessarily mean that you must create a new item yourself. You can grab on someone else's item or a particular niche that is actually making it, a particular account that is making it in this particular niche, and repost their article or their videos right there, or their reels. You could do that, and just make sure that once you are doing something like that, you want to make sure you give credit to them, because that is not your original content. You could also head on to YouTube and just search for something about weight loss. So if you search for weight loss exercises at home, you could then go on to maybe getting one of these videos, shorten the video right there, and go on to posting it on your reels right here. So you could also do that right there. You get a lot of content, because you'll be able to get a lot of content right here on YouTube, and go on to posting that on your Instagram page. So in doing so, guys, you'll be able to go on to building your Instagram page gradually. And in building your Instagram page, a lot of people will be coming to your profile, and they are going to check out that link right here in your bio. And once they do click on that link, it's going to take them to your Linktree, where they'll be able to see one of these offers right here, and you could then get a commission once somebody do purchase one of them right there. So you also want to be just adding a call to action once in a while in some of those your posts or reels on your Instagram page. So you add a call to action directing them to this link right here in this particular bio, which is also going to direct them to your product offers. So, and guys, you also want to make sure that you are engaged in a lot of people's content in this same niche. So building your engagement in those content will also help you grow, in the sense that once you are commenting, once you are liking people's content in that particular type of niche, a lot of people will also be interested in you. You'll be able to see your engagement and check you out, and that will also help you grow right there. You could also go follow strategies like the follow people in that particular niche, and that could also in turn getting you back the followers, because a lot of people will be intending on following you back right there, and in doing so, you'll be able to build your Instagram account. And in building your Instagram account, you're also gaining or increasing the probability of you getting some conversions to those products right there. So these are actually cool ways to which you can earn money using affiliate marketing or promote your affiliate marketing offers. Like I said, guys, I'm just going to give you a recap. You just want to go on to the ClickBank, get a product to promote, head on to, or get a lot of products to promote, head on to the Linktree right here and create a link. You just want to create a Linktree, add as many links as you can, then go on to this particular platform called the Instagram to actually create a cool account with a cool bio, a cool banner or profile picture, and a cool name. Make sure you do add in the Linktree link in the bio of your account, and go on to generating a lot of content related to that particular niche. And in doing so, you should be able to build your account and get a lot of traffic to that particular product. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this video has helped you. Kindly smash the like button to this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and goodbye.